Garrett Bird here, Storage Authority franchise. Excited to be part of the List Self Storage platform. And for those who don't know, List Self Storage is probably the number one website platform out there where you can buy and sell self storage facilities. So we're super excited to share our opportunity with the client base of List Self Storage. And I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'm going to just dive right into a quick overview of what we do, how to get in touch with us. We honestly built this self storage model for the busy professional that would like to develop self-storage and get into this industry, all while keeping their own business or career. And now they have options in 3 to 5 years. Once they have a mature facility, did they build big enough where they completely replace their income, so they can retire early, or maybe they supplemented their income and they want to scale and build more. It's also for our mom and pop facilities that feel like they're getting pressed in on, by the REITs and the private REITs where they just can't compete anymore. So, joining the bandwidth of a group and a franchise gives them the strength to hold on to that real estate asset that they have, but, compete as an elite self-storage. When our owners are going through the discovery process with us, the number one goal for us, just make sure we're a good fit. We're open book. We know it's a big decision. So, it's any introduction they need, any resource they need, we're giving it to them. End of the day, we want to know their big why and what's their driving force to develop this multi-million-dollar real estate asset. But we have to be a good fit at when it all comes down to the whole process. The four main ingredients that we always say here. Obviously, our expertise and team. We got 50 years plus experience in the self storage industry. It's also our owners and the synergy they bring to the table. Just for them to be in this position to deploy 1.3 to 3.5 million and develop their own self storage is a huge accomplishment all in itself. Believe it or not, we are the only self storage brick and mortar franchise out there. Now there is pods and Zippy Shell and units and whatnot. There's a space for that in our industry, but this is a real estate play. You run it like a first class business, and you can be the price leader. And we always like to say Ritz Carlton versus Motel 6 or Holiday Inn. The six main things that we do, obviously, a lot of our owners are attracted that we're going to guide them through finding land and getting developed, the whole development guidance that we provide. But if you're thinking about franchising, you're doing this to reduce your risk, save time and money. Then it obviously opens up the benefits of a network and having that bandwidth of a franchise, and that's really why you're considering franchising. Three platforms that we really deploy: new development, operations, and customer service, sales, and marketing. This is a screenshot of StoreTrack. Great software where you can literally move this sphere around any map, find the population, competition, what's the square foot per capita, anything in new development. It helps us move a lot much more efficiently. Got to verify and validate everything though. Operations, again, very manager-driven system. We automate as much as we can so the manager can focus on the customer in front of them. Marketing or cleaning, because we look at cleaning as part of marketing as well. Very pristine facilities. It's just that wow factor. The third platform, customer service, sales, and marketing. Self-storage is our vehicle, but we are truly in the hospitality business. Um, Four ways that we can get into self-storage here. This is a rendering our Kissimmee, Florida location. They should, be breaking ground here in September 2023. So we're super excited for them. Uh, Two philosophies that we really lean on: high tech, high touch. You got to wow them with the technology, but you still got to, have that pleasant retail feel. We have this saying, welcome may all enter as guests, leave as friends. That's that high touch, having a coffee bar with free drinks and sodas and juice for the kids, free Wi-Fi. You got to think retail. You got 20 minutes to make a customer for life. Ritz sales and marketing. It's one thing to be an average facility, but if you want to be elite and be a price leader, you got to back that up. You got to be part of that community base. You got to treat every customer like $1 million that walks through your doors. The support and training that we have, we have a manual for every situation off to the left. the support and training, the ongoing support and training, I should say, for the managers and the owners. End of the day is, they have our support 24/7, and that's the difference maker. I definitely encourage you, if you are considering, learning more about our franchise model, uh, go to our website and read the top 13 FAQs, all the high level questions we've gotten over the years. Um, this is an aerial of our Land Lakes location. We always call it our little Mighty Mouse. It was great rents. It broke even in 7 months. But if you want to learn more about our franchise model, go check out storageauthorityfranchise.com. And if you want to just give us a call, go ahead and reach out to us, shoot us an email, give us a call. You can visit the website. Whether you submit the application to get the discovery process rolling, submit a contact form to learn more. We'll send you some information, or like I said, feel free to give us a call. But again, my name's Garrett Bird, Storage Authority Franchise. Looking forward to meeting you through any kind of discovery if you choose to move forward. Thank you for your time.